Long ago, in a quiet village surrounded by forests, there lived a man who had everything he needed: a roof over his head, a family who cared for him, and enough land to grow his food. His life was simple, but his heart was not satisfied. Every morning, he saw the lives of others and began to compare. He saw wealthier merchants passing by, dressed in fine clothes, their hands full of coins. He saw strangers feasting and laughing in the markets. He saw beauty in every face that wasn't his own wife's. Slowly, a seed of desire began to grow inside him. He wanted more. More wealth, more pleasure, more excitement. The simple life he had once called enough now felt small and empty. One day, a traveling stranger came to the village. He was sharp-eyed, dressed in dark robes, and carried a sly smile. He whispered to the man, "I can give you everything you desire. Riches, women, pleasures beyond your imagination. All it takes is a little trade." The man's heart pounded. "What kind of trade?" he asked. "Nothing much," the stranger replied smoothly. "Just a promise. When the time comes, you will repay me. Until then, enjoy life to the fullest." The man thought of his small hut and simple meals. He thought of his wife's tired smile. He thought of how much more he could have if he accepted. Lust drowned out his doubts. He agreed. From that day, his life changed. His land flourished with gold and grain. Fine clothes appeared in his cupboards. Endless food filled his table. People admired him. Women whispered his name, and every night was full of pleasure and excess. But with each passing day, his hunger only grew. The more he consumed, the more he craved. What once brought joy now left him restless. His family drifted away, his friends turned into shadows, and his heart became empty, even as his house overflowed with wealth. One stormy night, the stranger returned. He stood at the doorway, eyes gleaming. "It is time," he said. The man, drunk on his own excess, asked in fear, "Time for what?" "For payment," the stranger answered. "You traded your peace, your family, your soul, for lust, and now the price must be collected." The man's wealth vanished like smoke. His companions, who had feasted with him, disappeared into the night. His body weakened, his heart became heavy, and his home turned silent. He realized he had lost everything, not by misfortune, but by choice. In his final days, he sat alone with nothing but regret. The warmth of family, the joy of simple meals, the love of a faithful heart, all gone. He had traded them for pleasures that faded faster than smoke in the wind. The village remembered him not for his riches, but as a warning. A man who had everything, but lost it all to the price of lust.